So here we have just finished the salah, and having finished the salah, we turn around and we say Allahu Akbar, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Why? Because there may have been many shortcomings in our prayer. We stand in front of Allah, we're worshipping Allah, and when we are worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, maybe we did not fulfill the rights of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the rights of salah. This is why the first thing that we do is say Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. And you look at the finest life ever, the greatest life ever, was the life of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Nobody lived a more righteous, pious life than the Messenger of Allah. But Allah says in Surah Al-Nasr, إِذَا جَاءَ نَصْرُ اللَّهِ وَالْفَتْحُ وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا. When the help of Allah comes and you see people entering into the deen of Allah, army upon army, فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ تَوَّابًا. Do the tasbih of your Lord and do istighfar. Indeed Allah is Tawwab, the one who accepts the tawbah. Now, the Messenger of Allah's life was exemplary, free of sins. Many hadith mention that his previous sins and his any future sins were all forgiven. So then why was there a need for istighfar? So in the state of the Messenger of Allah, even istighfar is not to remove sins but to elevate his status. Secondly, and more importantly for us, so this was the last part of the life of the Messenger of Allah, okay? The last part of his life. And he's been told to do tasbih of Allah, thank Allah for his life, and also do istighfar. This is an indication and an indirect lesson for you and I, that if the Messenger of Allah was told to do istighfar and remember and do tasbih of Allah when his life was exemplary, then what should be our state? So what we do, no matter how good, how big our actions are, is that we do istighfar to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.